If you want smoother, more professional-looking footage in DaVinci Resolve, learning how to properly use the Planar Tracker can make a huge difference. In this video, I'll show you how to stabilize footage on a moving object, along with a few small adjustments that can noticeably improve your results. Start by selecting your clip and heading over to the Fusion page. Press Ctrl and Space. Search for Planar Tracker and add it to your node tree. Now before you even start tracking, this is where most people mess up. Move your playhead to a frame where your object is fully visible and not blurry. If you start on a bad frame, your entire track will be weaker. Next, go to the inspector and click Set under Pattern. Then switch the tracking type to Hybrid Point and set Motion to Translation. Quick tip here. Translation is usually enough for stabilization. If you add rotation or scale too early, your shot can start to warp or feel unnatural. Now draw a box around your object. And here's the part that actually makes a difference. Don't just grab the whole object randomly. Try to include edges, contrast, or texture. Flat surfaces like plain walls or skies will give you bad tracking almost every time. Once your selection looks solid, hit track forward and let it analyze the clip. If the track drifts at any point, stop it. Go back a few frames, adjust your selection, and continue. You don't have to accept a bad track. Once it's done, switch operation mode from track to stabilize. Now your object should stay locked in place. But here's something a lot of people don't explain. When you go back to the edit page, you'll see black edges around your footage. That's not a mistake. That's the software repositioning your frame to keep the object stable. To fix it, zoom in just enough to hide those edges. Don't overdo it though. The more you zoom, the more quality you lose. If you want a cleaner result, a better approach is to shoot slightly wider footage so you have room to crop later. And one last thing, if your stabilization still looks off, it's almost always because of your tracking area. Spend a few extra seconds choosing a strong, detailed section, and your results will improve instantly. That's the difference between basic tracking and tracking that actually looks professional. If you found this helpful, drop a like and consider subscribing. I've got more simple tutorials like this coming that will help you get better results inside DaVinci Resolve without overcomplicating things.